Disappointments occur when there are illusions and misunderstandings about the true nature of things. Hi everyone, my name is Phi Thuy Nguyen. Welcome to my channel where we are dedicated in providing you with fresh, simple, and enriching content to help you live a more authentic, energized, and playful life. In a moment, we will discuss ways to resolve the disappointments on the path of manifestation. But first, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon to receive notification. I know the majority of us are all trying to improve our lives for the better. And many of us work really hard at it. And just about as many of us feel disappointed with the results because 1, the results aren't big enough, and 2, they don't last. Today, I would like to address why behind these 2 disappointments, the why of it all. Because if you don't have proper understanding that will free you from these disappointments, your efforts for change will be limited. Disappointments occur when there are illusions and misunderstandings about the true nature of things. Because of that misunderstanding, resistance shows up to contradict what's there. Let's take each disappointment one at a time. The first one, the result isn't big enough. Do you truly know your physical, mental, and emotional capacity to handle things? While you complain that the result of your effort isn't big enough, have you considered that life is serving you exactly the portion you need? For example, when you are at a buffet, can you possibly eat everything that's served? What you can actually ingest and digest is a very small portion of what's available. Life is also like that. While your greed may want the whole buffet, your capacity is only your plate. Thus, as you walk your life's journey, please understand that what's served to you right now is exactly the portion you need. Comparing it with what others are getting or what you think you should get have gone it totally missing the point. And such comparisons become their own source of pain, struggle, and drain. Number 2, the result doesn't last. Energy is at the root of all manifestations. And before we use it to effect change, we must understand its essence. The essence of energy is movement. It's dynamic. It means that it isn't meant to be static. It's meant to flow. So how can something with the essence of flow be asked to remain the same? What you need yesterday is different than what you need now. Why would you want to limit yourself and get frustrated because what you manifested last year isn't serving today's needs? Do you know how uncomfortable it would be if you were wearing winter boots in the summer heat? Thus, the you of today is different than the one who manifested that outcome a year ago. If you try to squeeze the present you into last year's model, you will not fit and it will be very uncomfortable. It is much more empowering and freeing to stay present to today's reality and manifest accordingly. When you resolve these 2 misunderstandings with yourself, then you can really tap into the dynamic energy that life is and be able to ride its wave, manifesting and realizing your best life. And there is a constancy underneath the ever-changing flow. That is where your true power rests, and you can tap into that for lasting peace and happiness. I'll show you how in my Intro to Meditation course. In 4 simple, easy to understand modules, you will know how to stop the mental chatter of the mind and enjoy quiet. See the mind's erratic tendencies and chaotic tendencies without being hooked by it. Ease the discomforts of meditation and enjoy alignment with Source, experiencing the results you want in your life. I also have a yoga course, which is a wonderful complement to the practice of meditation. Click here for the meditation course and here for the yoga course. Each course has its own free gift, so make sure you get yours. Registration for both courses is now open and for a limited time. The way I teach is simple and extremely experiential, and I support you through the entire process. I hope to see you in the course. If you find any of this helpful, please subscribe to our channel and tap on that notification bell. I would also appreciate a like, a comment, as well as sharing it with your friends. I would like to hear what you've got out of this video and what actions you're going to take as a result. Take care of yourself well, and I'll catch you next time.